My very favorite part of the painting process is the application of color. It's just the whipped cream on top of everything for me. When I first started painting, I was drawn to other artists who used vivid colors. My frustration was that they seldom explained their thought process as they bumped up colors. How did they make those color choices? In this course, we're going to start with the still life photo. I'll show you how I incorporated a vibrant color right from the drawing stage. As I paint each item, we'll look at ways to bring in more luscious color. I'll share my thought process with you as I take a dull pot and turn it into something vibrant. We'll discuss various options in creating colorful shadows. We'll look at ways to make even brown and neutral items more interesting. There'll be lots of tips and tricks that can be applied to landscapes, florals, animals, and still lifes. While I'll be painting in acrylic, many of these techniques would apply to oil painting as well. This course is over 3.5 hours long. It's been broken down into bite-sized pieces and can be watched over and over. Not only are you going to learn skills to take the color in your paintings to another level, but you'll also learn to paint all the different elements in this interesting still life. It was a lot of fun to paint, and you're going to get lots of ideas that you can incorporate into your paintings. If you'd like to find out more about this course and my shorter, very reasonably priced tutorials, please go to victoriahagemanart.com. Check out the link in the description box below.